All right, so this is the second video. We're going to continue. We're going to do one more example, but in the conversions of the area section of your chart. So let's go ahead and do 25 kilometers squared. And we're going to go and convert to square feet. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with your chart. 25 kilometers squared. Now, if we look at our conversion chart, it looks like we're gonna have to go from 1 kilometers squared looks like to 100 hectane. Okay, so now we want to go from hectane, and it looks like we're going to go from that to meter squared. So 1 hectane to looks like 10,000 meters squared. Okay, and then for every 1 meter squared, that's a 1, you have 10.76 feet squared. So now, as you can see, I went from kilometers squared to feet squared. I was able to cancel all this out, and that's why I end up with here now. So you're going to multiply this across in your calculator, divide it by 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and you end up with a number like this, 2.69 times 10 to the 8th feet squared. And that would be your conversion, okay? Now, here is what you're going to do. Now that I gave you these examples, you are going to move down to the unit conversion practice. There's 15 questions that you need to use your notes and scratch paper on your notes, or you can continue on your notes to complete this task, okay? So, once again, if you don't have a scratch sheet of paper, then just continue from where you're at on page 12, whatever, 12A or 12B, wherever you stopped, and you can do the work there, because I'm going to need to see your work submitted along with this practice, okay? So in order to get full credit, 50 points will be the practice, 50 points will be me seeing your steps. If you do not show me your steps, you will only be at 50% of this assignment. So be sure that you get that done, okay? Then when you're done, you'll submit and you'll move on to the last section of your agenda for the day. Okay, all right.